Hey, Health Hub family. Welcome back to the channel where we dive into simple yet powerful ways to boost your health naturally. Today, we're talking about a magical elixir that's been around for centuries, but most people have no idea just how powerful it really is. Yep, you guessed it. Castor oil. This thick, golden oil may not be the prettiest thing, but the health benefits it brings are simply incredible. So, what makes castor oil such a game changer for your health? Let's jump right in. Moisturizes and heals skin. First up, skin health. If you suffer from dry skin, eczema, or acne, castor oil is your best friend. It's loaded with fatty acids, especially something called ricinoleic acid, which deeply moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Not only does it soothe irritation, but it also creates a barrier to help your skin heal faster. So, for soft, glowing skin, a few drops of castor oil go a long way. Promotes hair growth and reduces dandruff. Next, let's talk hair health. Who doesn't want thicker, healthier hair, right? Applying castor oil to your scalp can help boost hair growth and thickness. It nourishes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and brings the shine back to dull hair. Say goodbye to dry scalp and hello to luscious locks. Relieves joint pain and inflammation. Got joint pain or stiffness? Castor oil can help with that too. When applied topically, it has natural anti-inflammatory properties that can ease pain in your joints and muscles. A simple castor oil massage can work wonders for anyone suffering from arthritis or sore muscles after a workout. Use with caution as a laxative, consult a doctor. Now, here's something you might not know. Castor oil is actually a natural laxative. If you're dealing with constipation, a small dose of castor oil can stimulate your intestines and get things moving. But a little goes a long way, and you should always consult your doctor before using it this way. Detoxifies and supports immune health. And if you're looking for a detox, castor oil packs are amazing for boosting your immune system. These packs help stimulate your lymphatic system, which is your body's natural detox pathway. Regular use can help flush out toxins and support your immune function. Fights acne and bacteria. Lastly, castor oil can help reduce acne thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It kills acne-causing bacteria while reducing redness and swelling, giving you clearer skin without harsh chemicals. So, there you have it. Whether it's your skin, hair, joints, or even your immune system, castor oil is a must-have in your natural health toolkit. Remember, a little goes a long way, so use it wisely. If you're ready to harness the power of this ancient remedy, give it a try and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more health-boosting tips. Until next time, stay healthy and stay glowing, Health Hub family.